Are you ready to take your Christmas festivities to new dimensions? Imagine adding a touch of innovation to your holiday spirit by crafting personalized 3D Christmas toys with the incredible power of a 3D printer. Unlocking the enchantment of 3D printing unveils a realm of endless possibilities, empowering you to bring your festive visions to life in tangible, three-dimensional marvels. From bespoke ornaments to exquisitely crafted figurines, you have the power to infuse your decorations with a personal touch that radiates your innate creativity. Whether you're an experienced 3D printing enthusiast or a curious beginner, immerse yourself in an exhilarating crafting expedition that flawlessly blends the joyful essence of Christmas with the awe-inspiring marvels of 3D printing technology. The essential techniques needed to metamorphose your imaginative concepts into tangible masterpieces. This remarkable journey seamlessly fuses technology and tradition, empowering you to fashion extraordinary and unforgettable decorations that will truly captivate. The enchanting journey of Christmas begins with a digital model, serving as your canvas for creating Christmas wonders. Utilizing computer-aided design software, you sculpt a three-dimensional masterpiece. Each layer acts as a blueprint, guiding the 3D printer in constructing your Christmas marvel layer by layer. A 3D printer is like a magical machine that can create awesome 3D objects from digital files and uses materials like plastic or metal to build them. This incredible technology has changed how we make toys. Now, we can design and make our cool toys right at home. Plus, these toys are extra strong and will last a long time. To start making 3D Christmas toys, you'll need a 3D printer and a design file for the toy you want to create. You can find these design files online or make your own using special software. Once everything is ready, load the design file into the printer and watch the magic happen. The best part about using a 3D printer for Christmas toys is that you can customize them. You can choose from tons of designs, colors, and sizes to make the perfect toy for yourself or as a special gift for someone else. Imagine bringing your favorite characters or toys to life and making their Christmas even more amazing. Irrespective of the specific 3D printing technique, every 3D printer consists of essential components that work together to produce the desired outcome. Now, as we embark on the captivating journey of crafting Christmas toys using a 3D printer, let's take a look at 3D printed toys that are popular during the Christmas season. 1. Frozen Castle. A frozen castle is a whimsical and enchanting structure that embodies the magic of winter and the holiday season. Inspired by the captivating landscapes of fairy tales, this decorative element showcases intricate icy details, sparkling lights, and an extraordinary design. As a symbol of the festive spirit, a frozen castle captures the imagination, inviting individuals to immerse themselves in a world of wonder and holiday cheer. 2. Gingerbread Man Christmas Bauble. The Christmas bauble is a charming holiday ornament that combines the timeless allure of gingerbread with the festive enchantment of Christmas decorations. It is designed in the shape of the beloved gingerbread man, and this bauble adds a sweet and nostalgic touch to seasonal decor. Its vibrant and intricate details capture the essence of holiday traditions and fill spaces with joy and festive cheer. 3. Christmas Tree Star. The Christmas tree star is a radiant and elegant tree topper that adorns the festive centerpiece. Traditionally designed as a star, it holds both symbolic and decorative significance. Positioned atop the Christmas tree, the star represents hope and the guiding light of the holiday season. With its luminous presence, the Christmas tree star adds a celestial touch of beauty to the beloved tradition, embodying the true spirit of Christmas. 4. Multi-Piece Snowman. The multi-piece snowman is a delightful and interactive holiday decoration that lets you build your indoor snowman in separate sections. With each piece representing a different part of the snowman's body, this festive ornament brings winter joy inside your home. Assembling the snowman becomes a whimsical activity, adding a playful and personalized touch to your holiday decor while celebrating the iconic winter character. 5. Trineo de Santa. Trineo de Santa refers to a holiday decoration or a representation of Santa Claus's iconic mode of transportation on Christmas Eve. It often features reindeer pulling a sleigh, capturing the whimsical and magical essence of Santa's global gift-giving journey. This festive element adds enchantment and tradition to Christmas decor, symbolizing the spirit of generosity and joy. 6. Rudolph Christmas Decoration. The Rudolph Christmas decoration showcases the beloved character Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, an endearing symbol of the holiday season. This delightful ornament or figurine portrays Rudolph with his distinctive red nose. Rudolph is cherished in holiday folklore and is renowned for guiding Santa's sleigh through foggy weather. 7. Babbo Natale Santa Claus. In Italian Christmas traditions, Babbo Natale is the equivalent of Santa Claus. This beloved figure brings joy and gifts to children on Christmas Eve. Similar to the global image of Santa Claus, Babbo Natale is depicted as a jolly, bearded man in a red suit. He embodies the spirit of generosity and spreads happiness, centralizing Italian holiday celebrations and creating a festive atmosphere. 8. Star Wars Santa Porg. The Star Wars Santa Porg exemplifies the joyful fusion of the iconic Star Wars universe and the holiday season. This delightful crossover features a porg, a fictional bird species from the beloved Star Wars franchise, donning Santa Claus attire. By incorporating festive elements into these well-known characters, this whimsical ornament captures the essence of the galaxy far away and the Christmas spirit. It is a delightful creation that appeals to fans of both worlds, uniting the magic of Star Wars with the cheerful joy of the holiday season. 9. 8-bit Space Invader Ornaments. 8-bit Space Invader ornaments are festive decorations that draw inspiration from retro video games, specifically the 8-bit graphics in classic arcade games like Space Invaders. These ornaments often showcase pixelated designs that pay homage to the early art of video games. By blending nostalgic gaming elements with holiday traditions, these ornaments bring a playful and geeky touch to your festive decor, appealing to those who appreciate the charm of vintage video games. So here's how a 3D printer can transform your Christmas experience, making it more personal and memorable. While the process may seem complicated, the end result is truly magical. Hope you have found this video to be informative and interesting. If you do, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. So, the next time you create unique and personalized Christmas toys, remember the endless possibilities that a 3D printer offers. Merry Christmas!